In this video, I show you how to fix TikTok message not sent or TikTok message not sending problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search TikTok. Now up to date your TikTok app if available in update version. Now search for 11 VPN. Click on it, install. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok. Then tap on force stop, then OK. Then tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open one VPN app, then tap on next, then tap on accept, install VPN profile, then OK. Then allow notification, allow. Now tap for connect. Now open TikTok app, then log into your account, then same message someone. Now I hope that this method fix TikTok message not sent or TikTok message not sending problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.